So I have another example. A group of 5 patients treated with medicine A is of weight 42, 39, and so on. Second group of 7 patients from the same hospital treated with medicine B is of weight 38 and so on. So we need to find whether there is any difference between medicine. So we will test for the mean are same or not in both the samples. Now these are independent samples. Okay. And they have used formulas to do it. We'll be doing this using Excel, and we will do it in a one stroke function. We'll use Excel sheet to do it. So let's first copy the data. Let me see if I have it. Okay, so here is my data. I will copy it. This is my variable one. And let me add one more sheet. This is my variable one, and this is my variable two. So I'll put it here for the sake of this video. Okay. And after doing this, I'm going to go to data and in data analysis, right? So in data analysis, first I need to see if the variance are same or not, whether variance are equal or not. So for that, I will use f-test. F-test two sample of variances. So I'll click here, I click OK. So I'll give the first variable range, this, and then I give the second variable range, and this. And then I will get the output range. My alpha is 0.05. I'll put my output here and I click OK. Now the moment I click OK, so you can see here the variances are here. But there is a problem with this. What is the problem? Problem is the variance of variable 1 is less than variance of variable 2. So this is not correct. So I need to reverse it. So what I do is I go to data again, go to data analysis and click here. Now my variable 2 is in A. So I will select this. Basically, I'm reversing, and my variable 1 should be this. And I click this, okay. And this is 0, 1, and all that, and I'll click OK. It will ask me to override, I will override it. And now here I have the correct f-test. So f-test is basically telling whether the variances of the two samples are equal or not. So for variances, the null hypothesis, while testing the variances, the null hypothesis is that the variances are equal, and alternate hypothesis is it's not equal. So you can clearly see that 6.16 is the tabled value here in our data. If you see it is 6.16. And the F value is 1.87, which is pretty less. So variances are equal. We need to accept our null hypothesis. So what they have achieved using calculation, we achieved in one stroke Excel sheet. So this is the table value 6.16, calculated is 1.87. Our table value is 6.16, calculated is 1.87. So we can accept the null hypothesis that yes, these are variances are equal. Now I need to perform t-test. So I will go to data, data analysis. T-test will be for mean, whether the mean are same or not. And variances are equal now. So I will select t-test two sample assuming equal variances. I'll click OK, and I'll keep variable 1 range same, variable 2 range same, right? And my output range I will give um, here. Okay. And I click OK. I'm getting error. Two sample assuming equal variances. Input range must contain at least one data point. Okay. So I think it got selected. So this is my variable one range. Okay. And this is my variable two. Now my variable one and variable two are done. Output is coming on D13. That's fine. I'll click OK now. And here are the values. So I get the table value is 2.2281 and T calculated value is 1.98. What did they get? So this is F test. Now I'll scroll down. So it is T calculated is 1.98, which is less than the table value 2.28. We are also getting same thing. 1.98 and table value is this. So clearly the t-test shows that we need to accept the null hypothesis that means are equal. So with that, I will conclude. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.